This is the Flair Brew Scale. Before using, make sure that the power supply in the back is switched on. Then to turn it on, just hold down on the right button. We're going to start in manual mode to dose out our coffee. To get there, just double tap on the left button twice. From there, we can dose out our coffee. For this extraction, we are going to use pre-infusion mode. First, we'll add our cup and then hold down on the left button until the water droplet appears in the display. The weight of the cup will zero out and then we can begin our extraction. The scale will sense the first few drops of espresso and begin the timer. And in pre-infusion mode, it will also allow us to hold for a bloom phase without stopping the timer. When the shot is finished, we can remove the cup of espresso and the timer will stop. And after a few seconds, it will reset so that it's ready for the next extraction. To brew with auto mode, we can switch back by double tapping the left button twice. Then we can add our cup and the scale will zero out automatically. The timer will begin when the first few drops of espresso hit, and when the flow stops at the end of the shot, the timer will stop as well. Once the cup is removed, after a few seconds, the scale will reset so that it's ready for your next extraction.